What's the meaning of clipped? Clipped. Clipped.
Clipped. Clipped. The term clipped can refer to a variety of contexts, but generally means that something has been cut or trimmed. In the context of audio or video, clipping occurs when the input signal exceeds the maximum level that can be processed by the system, resulting in distortion of the output signal. In machine learning, a model can be clipped by limiting the size or range of its parameters to prevent them from growing too large and negatively impacting performance. Overall, the essence of clipped is a reduction or restriction of a certain quantity or property.